Here's a demonstration on how to use our two-part strapping tools. The components you're going to need is a tensioner tool, a sealer tool, metal seals and your plastic strapping. Now start by wrapping your strapping around your package, leaving yourself a good amount either way to work with. Now first of all we're going to look at the tensioner tool. You can see on here it's got three key features. At the back here you've got a clamp, a ratchet in the middle and a cutter on the front. Now if I press this big handle down here, you can see how the clamp rises up at the back. We'll keep that compressed because what we need to do is feed this piece of strapping, the piece coming away from you, underneath all three of those features. Leave yourself a good 2-3 inches at the front there to work with a bit later on. Now just releasing the handle on the tool, you see how the clamp here goes down and that piece of strap is secure inside the tensioner tool. So next, taking the piece of strapping coming towards you. This needs to feed through the cutter and through the ratchet. Like that. Then by lifting the handle up and down a few times, that will begin to tension. Just keep going until you feel that it's tight enough. Next, take one of your metal seals and pop that over the pieces of strapping that are just coming out the front of the tool. We then take our sealer tool, completely open it up and place it directly over the metal seal. Then bring the two arms right up together, release back down again, and you can see the seal is now clamped around the strapping. All that's left to do is bring this handle back down, compress again. That now cuts the excess strapping away from the sealed strapping. Shift it to the right, and that's now strapped and secure. That's the end of our demo. For any more information at all, visit us on www.packagingtobuy.co.uk.